Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can go incognito mode in Safari iPhone. So it's pretty simple. So for this, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the little tab button. Hold on the tab button. Once you hold on the tab button, at the top you can see the option called private. Click on private. Now once you click on private, you guys can see the search box at the bottom just turned into black. So if your search box also turned into black, that means your private browsing mode is on. And if it is on white, that means you're in normal browsing mode on. And you can also see at the top it shows you a private browsing mode, which means that I'm inside private browsing mode. So whatever I search over here or do anything, it's not going to be saved on my iPhone's browsing history. But remember that your internet provider can still know the sites you visit, alright? So that cannot be undone. You can only not save your history on your phone. That is the only thing. And if you want to go into normal browsing mode, just click on the box icon at the bottom right again and click on where it says start page, and you will be back to your normal again. As you guys can see, now it's turned white. So I hope you understand how you guys can go into incognito mode in Safari iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.